Staying with the United States of America, the US president wants to appear to be taking this pandemic seriously. But his barefaced deceptions are doing little to help his cause. Donald Trump recently toured a mask distribution center in Pennsylvania. Masks were the reason the US president was there. Most White House staff around him were wearing masks. But not the invincible Donald Trump, not him. Trump even decided to let go of safety goggles this time. And when he was questioned about how murderous this virus is and why he decided to not wear a mask, this was Donald Trump's response.
You know, you can say what you want about the flu, but I've never lost anybody to the flu that I know. I mean, I've had people, friends, they have the flu and they're sick, they don't feel good. And you call up, how you doing? You know, 3 days, 2 days, a week later, they're fine. Nobody ever said they died.
Nobody ever said they had died. How will they if they're dead? And how exactly is that a defense for not wearing a mask? But you don't talk logic to Donald Trump. The point of wearing a mask is to simply protect yourself. The point of having the president wear a mask is to encourage the rest of the country to do so. Donald Trump missed out this little detail. Perhaps he had the approval ratings on his mind. Donald Trump's optimism may be tilting the battleground in his favor, but his ratings on the coronavirus response are sagging. Joe Biden has held consistent leads in most national and swing state polls. America's faith in Trump's handling of the coronavirus is steadily sinking. According to a poll conducted by SSRS, which is an independent research company, at least 54% Americans continue to say that the US government is doing a poor job of containing the virus. 56% say that the US government is not doing enough to address the growing death toll. 57% Americans say there aren't enough tests. And 58% Americans fear a potential second wave will hit them later this year. These are some facts, but facts don't matter very much in an election season. Scandals and conspiracy theories do, and Donald Trump seems to have found a new one. He has unleashed a tweet storm with a new and unfamiliar hashtag, Obamagate. 126 tweets by the US president alone with this hashtag. So what is Obamagate? It's a conspiracy theory that has been floating around for at least a year now, and now it has a US government stamp, a Trump stamp on it. According to this unproven narrative, Barack Obama, along with his Vice President Joe Biden and some intel officials, planted a theory that Trump was colluding with Russia in the 2016 polls and framed members of Trump's inner circle. Among those framed, according to this theory, was Michael Flynn, the former national security advisor of Donald Trump, a man who pleaded guilty, by the way, in December 2017 of lying to FBI investigators during the Mueller probe. In a nutshell, officials in the former Obama administration apparently framed top Trump officials years ago in order to derail his presidency. Listen to this.
Obamagate. It's been going on for a long time. It's been going on from before I even got elected, and it's a disgrace that it happened. And if you look at what's gone on, and if you look at now all of this information that's being released, and from what I understand, that's only the beginning.
That's only the beginning, he says. It indeed is. The United States has 1.4 million cases of the coronavirus. It has recorded more than 85,000 deaths. According to a whistleblower who was fired from the U.S. Health Department, America will face its darkest winter if the U.S. government does not change its policies. In other words, this is only the beginning, as the president says.